Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into stunning entryway table decor ideas that will leave a lasting impression on anyone who walks through your door. Whether you have a grand foyer or a cozy entryway, these ideas will help you create a welcoming and stylish space. The power of a statement piece. Start by choosing a statement piece for your entryway table. This could be a bold vase, a unique sculpture, or a large mirror. A statement piece sets the tone for your entire space, drawing the eye and creating a focal point. It's a great way to express your personal style right as guests enter your home. Layering with decorative elements. Layering is key when it comes to decorating your entryway table. Start with your statement piece, then add complementary items like candles, picture frames, or small plants. The goal is to create a balanced look that feels curated yet effortless. Vary the heights and textures of your items to add depth and interest. Incorporating seasonal touches. To keep your entryway decor fresh and inviting, incorporate seasonal elements. In the spring, you might add fresh flowers or pastel accents. For fall, think about using pumpkins, gourds, or autumnal colors. Seasonal decor keeps your entryway feeling up to date and adds a touch of festivity to your home. Functional yet stylish storage solutions. Don't forget about functionality. Your entryway table can be both beautiful and practical. Incorporate storage solutions like decorative trays, baskets, or drawers. These can hold keys, mail, or other essentials while keeping the surface tidy and organized. Stylish storage options ensure your entryway is as functional as it is fashionable. Personal touches for a welcoming vibe. Add a personal touch to your entryway table decor with items that reflect your personality or tell a story. This could be a collection of travel souvenirs, family photos, or a piece of art you love. Personal touches make your entryway feel warm and welcoming, setting the stage for the rest of your home. There you have it, stunning entryway table decor ideas that will make your space both beautiful and inviting. Remember, your entryway is the first impression of your home, so make it count with thoughtful and stylish decor. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.